Has your backup camera completely blacked out right when you need it most? You throw your car into reverse, check your center screen, and find absolutely nothing but a dark void. If you've experienced this terrifying loss of visibility, you are definitely not alone. Stick around until the end of this video, because the repair cost for this problem might actually surprise you. So, what does this actually feel like when it happens to you in the real world? Imagine you are rushing to leave for work in the morning or trying to back out of a crowded grocery store parking lot. You start the engine, immediately pull the shifter into reverse, and look over at your center infotainment screen to check your surroundings. Instead of seeing your driveway or the cars behind you, the entire display is just pitch black. You might instantly assume your physical camera lens was smashed by a stray shopping cart. Or maybe you think a rodent chewed through a vital wiring harness overnight. It feels exactly like a major hardware failure that is going to keep your vehicle sitting in the repair shop for days. But before you start crawling under your bumper to inspect your tailgate, pay attention to the exact symptoms. You can actually test a few things right from the driver's seat. The physical camera lens mounted on the back of your car is probably perfectly fine. The wiring harness inside your liftgate is likely completely intact. You will notice that your radio stations, navigation maps, and Apple CarPlay still work flawlessly. If you shift back into drive or park, the normal menus immediately return to the screen. The display only drops into a completely black void the exact second you shift into reverse. If this frustrating scenario sounds exactly like your daily commute, you need to know which vehicles are officially impacted. This specific visibility problem targets a couple of very popular recent crossover models. It primarily affects the 2022 and 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander. It also heavily impacts the highly popular 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander plug-in hybrid, commonly known as the PHEV. Mitsubishi is well aware of this annoying problem. In fact, it quickly became such a widespread issue that it triggered an official National Highway Traffic Safety Administration recall. The federal recall campaign number for this defect is 23V306000. Mitsubishi also issued their own internal service bulletin, officially known as SR-23-001, to help their dealership technicians fix it correctly. The manufacturer investigated and found that the root cause has absolutely nothing to do with broken or water-damaged parts. The problem is actually a software logic error hidden deep inside the vehicle's computer code. It specifically lives inside the smartphone link display audio system, which mechanics often just call the SDA. Under certain startup or memory conditions, the SDA software completely fails to initialize properly. If you shift your vehicle into reverse too quickly after pushing the engine start button, the internal processor essentially panics. The system software drops the incoming video signal entirely. Instead of successfully routing the live camera feed to your dashboard display, it just gives up and shows a blank screen. This is definitely not just a minor technological annoyance for drivers. This specific software defect actually causes the vehicle to fail compliance with Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard number 111. That specific federal rule governs rear visibility requirements for all modern passenger vehicles. Losing your rear-view camera creates an immediate and severe safety hazard. It leaves a massive blind spot right behind your rear bumper. This significantly increases the risk of an accidental backup collision with another vehicle. More importantly, it directly endangers nearby pedestrians, pets, or small children who might be walking behind you while you back up. If you look at owner forums and Reddit threads, you will see a ton of shared frustration about this exact glitch. Many drivers noticed this happening within the first few weeks of bringing their brand new Outlander home from the dealership lot. Owners quickly realized that the blackout glitch seemed directly tied to how fast they shifted gears after starting the car. A very common temporary workaround shared online was to start the engine and simply wait 10 full seconds. Letting the infotainment system boot up completely before touching the gear selector usually prevented the black screen from happening. However, drivers rightfully complained that they shouldn't have to pause their daily life just to make a basic safety feature work. Sometimes, turning the car completely off, opening the driver's door to kill the accessory power, and restarting it would temporarily bring the camera back online. Thankfully, you do not have to rely on annoying daily workarounds forever. The official repair direction for this defect is actually very straightforward. Because this issue is entirely a software processing glitch, no physical hardware parts need to be replaced. You will need to schedule a service appointment with your local authorized Mitsubishi dealership. The service technicians will plug a diagnostic laptop into your vehicle and perform a complete software update on the SDA unit. This new software patch permanently corrects the video routing logic and eliminates the startup memory glitch. The flashing procedure itself is very quick and entirely non-invasive to your interior. The actual software update takes less than an hour to complete. However, you should definitely account for standard dealership waiting room times when you drop off your keys. Now let's talk about what this means for your wallet. Because this defect triggered an official federal safety recall, the fix is provided entirely free of charge. You will not pay a single dime out of pocket for this required software update at the dealership. However, it is still helpful to know standard diagnostic costs if you ever face camera issues outside of warranty coverage later on. An independent repair shop would typically charge around $95 just for an initial hour to diagnose a black screen issue. A dealership would likely charge around $145 for that same hour of diagnostic labor, so take advantage of the free recall right now and get your software safely patched. Have you experienced a completely black backup camera screen in your own Outlander? Did the 10-second waiting trick actually work for you before you got it officially fixed? Let me know about your personal experience down in the comments below. If you found this information helpful today, please hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point automotive diagnosis.